Hi, my name is Cindy, and today I will be making a Moody cozy corner or vignette, aka tablescape, and I hope you enjoy. The supplies for my cozy corner vignette, aka tablescape, includes plates and salad bowls from Pier 1, jute chargers made by me, Z9 Designs, nameplate, Z9 Designs, napkins by Pier 1, small pumpkins by Dollar Tree, and glasses or goblets from Dollar Tree, silverware by Temu, candle holders, Z9 Designs, racetrack lantern, Z9 Designs, faux florals, Dollar Tree, and burlap leaves, Dollar Tree. This is my cozy corner to sit with my friends and enjoy some delicious food. I always start with a clean table, and I place my jute chargers down first, and this was followed by the green square plate topped with a burgundy cloth napkin. The bowl is placed on top with a small pumpkin inside. The jute leaf acts as a coaster with a beautiful glass goblet on top. And to make you feel special, a nameplate is put by each place setting with the initials rubbed on in gold. In the center is a racetrack lantern with a faux candle in the middle that gives off ambient lighting. Burgundy flowers and leaves surround the candle for a cozy time together. On either side of the lantern, there is a candle holder made by me, painted in black with a white candle on either side. I love this moody vibe, just to sit back and enjoy. Now, Cozy Corner or Vignette is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The guest host is Antoinette Decorating. These women have made some cozy corners, so you check them out. Others that are co-hosting include Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Creation by Simone, At Home with Lisa, Sasu Glam Style, Pretty DIYs, and me, Z9 Designs. Make sure you use the hashtag CozyCorner23. So I hope you and support everyone by subscribing, hitting that like button, saving, and commenting on all of the channels. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment, and help me reach my goal of 1,500. And when I get there, there'll be a prize awarded to someone who is a subscriber and comments on that video that reaches that number. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And thanks for watching Z9 Designs. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, love recognizes no barriers. This is by Maya Angelou. See you later. Bye-bye.